ML400M series electric lock. The ML400M series electric locks are high-performance locks for single or double-action swing doors, and designed for installation on any type of door and frame. ML420M for surface mount, ML400M BGL for frameless glass doors and walls.
Hi everyone, today we have the GEM electromechanical locks. This is suitable for double swing doors. This has advantages over electric deadbolts such that it's more forgiving in its environment. The weight of the door, together with the round hinge, will eventually create the right position for it to be locked. Together with accessories, this can be installed on frameless glass doors with a housing and the U-bracket. This can also be installed mortise into the frame, so it's completely hidden. This is the same electromechanical lock as we had earlier, but with a stainless steel surface mount housing.
Go to GEM website for installation demonstration.